What is identity? In a dictionary, it is classified as a noun, and the definition states who a person is or the qualities of a person or group that make them different from others. We are all different. We do what we feel we should do, what we are passionate about. We are influenced by a wide range of events. We hate what we dislike. We adore things close to our heart. Some of us are caring, some are hardworking, others are creative or committed. That's what makes us or me different from you or them. That's what makes us or me different from you or them. But why? Why does it matter what we do and how we do it? Why does it matter what we love and what we hate? Why does it matter what we adore and what we are passionate about? Why should it matter what makes us or me different from you or them? It shouldn't matter. Each of us has a different identity. But in the end, we're all human.